elaboye, elaboshishe. Certainty and faith have an inextricable relationship with one another. Both are necessary to transmute and harmonize with life stressors. Both, with full integrity, exist in true authenticity within a being as a result of sincere and thorough investments in our goals towards fulfillment of our life purposes, towards self-actualization. Be brave to be still and divinely introspect, divinely reflect, and be brave to be honest in order to sharply receive, hear, trust, and resolutely follow the guidance of the light. Elaburu, elaboye, elaboshishe.